Nobel died, his sons would succeed to position including his Taif, no son-in-law in absence. His extended principle to heredity to army soldier allowed to rest and send son in their place. Soldier not paid in money but assignment on land revenue of village work, which led to money abuse. Tried to win our theologians, proclaiming himself true Muslim king. Banned practice considered non-Islamic, like prohibited Muslim women going out to worship at graves of the saint. Jizya became separate tax during his time. Refused to accept Brahmins since provided for in Shariat. New taxation system according to Quran for tax Kharaj, land tax 110 of produce, zakat 2% tax on property, jizya non-Muslim, kham 1/5 of booty captured in war. To encourage agriculture, repaired canals, imposed Hake Sarib or Hasil e Sarab water tax. Great builder, city of Fatehabad, Hisar, Jaunpur, Firozabad stand to his credit. City of Jaunpur founded in memory of Muhammad bin Tughlaq, named after his nickname Jona Khan. Two pillars of Asoka, one from Topra, Haryana, and other Meerut UP, brought to Delhi. Established hospital at Delhi called Dar ul Sifa. New department Diwan Khairat set up for marriage provision for poor girls. Ordered officially whenever they attack a place to select handsome well-born young boys and send as slave to Sultan. Reign marked by peace and tranquility. Credit goes to PM Khan as Jahan Mahkubal. Died 1388 फिरोज आफ्टर फिरोज शाह तुगलक 1388 से 1414. Tughlaq dynasty could not survive much after Firoz Shah's death. Malwa, Gujarat, and Sarki Jaunpur kingdom broke away. Timur's invasion 98 में Timur, Turkish chief Kurul Lincoln Kenner, descendant of Genghis Khan, invaded India 1398 during the reign of Muhammad Shah Tughlaq, last ruler of Tughlaq dynasty. Army mercilessly sacked and plundered Delhi. Returned to Central Asia, left nominee Khizr Khan to rule over Punjab. Died in 1404. We're on the way of capturing China. Impact Delhi remained under shock for nearly a century. Population and wealth drastically reduced. Paved away for Sayyid and Lodi dynasty. Sayyid dynasty. Khizr Khan 1414 से 21. Timur nominee captured Delhi first to Sayyid dynasty ruling over Delhi and surrounding district. Mubarak 1481 से 34 succeed Khizr at throne after successful expedition against Mewati, Khatehar and Gangetic Doab area, killed by nobles in our court. Yahya bin Muhammad Sarhindi wrote Tarikh-e-Mubarak Shahi during his reign, an important source of Sayyid period. Muhammad Shah 1434 से 43. Noble put Muhammad Shah on throne, but he could not survive in fighting. Authorized to rule only a Meghr area around 30 miles rest of Sultan ruled by nobles. Alam Shah 1443 से 51. Last Sayyid king, descended in favor of Bahlol Lodi and retired Lodi dynasty began confined to Delhi and few surrounding area. Lodi dynasty 1451 से लेकर 1456. Ariel Bahlol Lodi 51 से 88. One of Afghan Sardar established himself in the after Timur's invasion, founded the Lodi dynasty. First Afghan ruler of Delhi 17 Sikandar Lodi 89 से 1517. Son of Bahlol Lodi, conquered Bihar and West Bengal, shifted the capital from Delhi to Agra, city founded by him. Fanatical Muslim broke sacred image of Jwalamukhi temple at Nagar court, ordered temple of Mathura destroyed. Keen interest in agriculture, introduced Gaje Sikandar's yard of 32 digit for measuring cultivated field. Poet composed poem in Persian with the name of Gulrukhi. Ibrahim Lodi, last king of Lodi dynasty and last sultan of Delhi, son of Sikandar Lodi. Afghan nobility was brave and freedom-loving, but Fijiparous and individualistic. Afghan monarchy weakened Ibrahim Lodi, asserted absolute power. Some nobles turned against him. Daulat Khan Lodi, governor of Punjab, invited Babur to overthrow Ibrahim Lodi. Babur accepted, inflicted crushing defeat on Ibrahim Lodi in First Battle of Panipat 1526. Ibrahim Lodi killed in battle and ended the Delhi Sultanate. Cause of decline of Delhi Sultanate: despotic and military type of government, no confidence of the people. Degeneration of Delhi Sultanate, build project of Muhammad bin Tughlaq, incompetence of Firoz Shah Tughlaq. War of succession, no fixed law, greed and incompetency of nobles. Defective military organization, vastness of empire and poor means of communication. Financial instability, number of slaves increased 1,80,000 in Firoz Shah Tughlaq time, burden on treasury. Invasion of Mongolian invasion during Delhi Sultanate, regime of Sultan Iltutmish 1221. Genghis Khan name after Bank of Indus Bahram 1241. Edith Tayar Bahadur entered Punjab, looting and killing at Lahore. Masood 1245 AD. Balban fought back Mongol and recovered Multan, which was captured. Balban 1279. Prince Mahmud of Multan, Bughra Khan from Samman and Malik Mubarak of Delhi combined to defeat Mongol. Balban 1286. Tamar invaded India. Prince Muhammad killed in battle, decorated with Khana-e-Shahid. Little title Jalauddin Khilji 1292. Abdullah came to north part. 4000 Mongol got converted to Islam. New Musalman Alauddin Khilji 1299. Ulugh and Jafar Khan defeated Mongol at Jalandhar and Saldi. Jafar Khan killed with Mongol. Kutulug Khan 1299. Alauddin Khilji 1304. Targi Tarak and Ali Beg defeated. Mubarak Khan. Daluj Khan invaded Kashmir Valley. Muhammad bin Tughlaq 1329. Tamrsrin Khan reached outskirts of Delhi, defeated Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Administration under Delhi Sultanate. Turkish Sultan declared himself lieutenant of Abbasid Caliphate of Baghdad, included Khalifa named Qutbah. Did not mean Khalifa become legal ruler. Department head or founded by Diwane Wizarat Finance Wazir, Diwane Ariz Military, Arize Mubalik, Diwane Insa Correspondence, Dabir Mamulik, Diwane Riyasalat Appeal and Dabir Mulk. Mustak Raj Areas, founded by Alauddin Khilji. Riyasat Commerce Riyase founded by Alauddin Khilji. Diwane Kohi Agriculture Muhammad bin Tughlaq. दीवाने बंदगांव स्लेब फिरोज शाह तुगलक. दीवाने खैरात चैरिटी फिरोज शाह तुगलक. इस्तिकाफीज पेंशन फिरोज शाह तुगलक. इक्ता प्रोविंस मुक्ति और बाली. सीख डिस्ट्रिक्ट सिकंदर. परंगना तालुका चौधरी और अमील. ग्राम विलेज मुकद्दर और खूट. आर्ट एंड आर्किटेक्चर. न्यू फीचर brought by Turkish dome, lofty tower and true arc unsupported by beam. Vault brought expert knowledge to concrete and mortar. Heathrow little used in India. 28 दिन का चोपड़ा at Ajmer, a beautiful prayer hall, exquisitely carved mihrab of white marble and decorative arc screen. First example of true arc tomb of Ghiyasuddin Balban in Mehruli. In Khilji period, arc and dome established. Example tomb of Hazarat Nizamuddin Auliya at Delhi. Tughlaq building, stark simplicity and sobriety because less financial resource. Puritanically test sloping wall and dark appearance characterize building. Notable Tughlaq monument. Fort of Tughlaqabad, tomb of Ghiyasuddin. New phase Indo-Islamic architecture. Fort of Allahabad, Sayyid period. Too short to allow construction of elaborate building. Lodi architecture. Double dome, the main feature. Example Mouth Ki Masjid, erected by Prime Minister of Sikandar Lodi. Qutub Minar, Delhi. 5-star epoch Iltutmish Firoz Shah Tughlaq. UNESCO World Heritage Literature of Delhi Sultanate. Book author तहकीब हिंद अल-बुरैनी, अरेबियन स्कॉलर हु रोट अबाउट इंडियन सोसाइटी एंड कल्चर। तबाके नसीरी, मिनहाज उस-सिराज, अकाउंटेंट ऑफ इल्तुतमिश रेन। लैला मजनू, अमीर खुसरो, कोट पोएट ऑफ अलाउद्दीन खिलजी, खजीने उल फतूह, ट्रेजर ऑफ विक्ट्री। अमीर खुसरो डिस्क्राइब कॉन्क्वेस्ट ऑफ अलाउद्दीन खिलजी, तुगलक नामा, अमीर खुसरो, अकाउंटेंट ऑफ गियासुद्दीन। नुफसीफर, अमीर खुसरो, पोएटिक डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ अलाउद्दीन खिलजी। फतवा जहांगीरी, ज़ियाउद्दीन बरानी, अकाउंट ऑफ तुगलक डायनेस्टी। तारीख़े फिरोज शाही, ज़ियाउद्दीन बरानी, अकाउंट ऑफ फिरोज शाह रीजन। फतवा फिरोज शाह, अकाउंट ऑफ हिज रेन। किताब ताक़ीब अल-बुरैनी अबाउट इंडियन साइंस। क़ानून मसूदी अल-बुरैनी अबाउट एस्ट्रोनॉमी। जवाहर फिट अल-बुरैनी अबाउट मिनरोलॉजी। कामस फिरोज़ाबादी, डिक्शनरी ऑफ अरेबिक वर्ड। ताजुल मथीर हसन निज़ामी, हिस्ट्री ऑफ इलाहाबादी स्लेव डायनेस्टी। चचनामा अल बिन हमीद खूफी, हिस्ट्री ऑफ सिंध रीजन। लुबाब उल अलाब, बुखारी रीजन। बुखारी पर्सियन एंथोलॉजी। खमशाह, अमीर खुसरो, लिटरेचर एंड पोएम। शाहनामा फिरदौसी, अबाउट मोहम्मद गजनी रेन। किताब उल रहला, इब्न बतूता, अ ट्रैवलर विथ स्टोरी। मिफ़ात उल फतूह, अमीर खुसरो, जलालुद्दीन कॉन्क्वेस्ट एंड लाइफ। मुल्ता अल अनवर, अमीर खुसरो, लिटरेरी मास्टरपीस। आईने सिकंदरी, अमीर खुसरो, लिटरेरी मास्टरपीस। हस्त बीस्त, अमीर खुसरो, लिटरेरी मास्टरपीस। शरीन खुसरो, अमीर खुसरो, लिटरेरी मास्टरपीस। तारीख़े फिरोज शाही, शमास ए सिराज अतीफ़। फतूह उस सल्तनत बहमानी किंगडम, किंगडम ऑफ साउथ। रियल फाउंडर, वेस्टर्न चालुक्य, कल्याणी कर्नाटका, तैलिब टू, कत्तिबाज, वरंगल आंध्र प्रदेश, पोल राजा टू, यादवाज, देवागिरी महाराष्ट्र, भिल्लम 5, होयसाला, द्वारसमुद्रा कर्नाटका, विष्णुवर्धन, टेम्पल ऑफ होयसलेश्वर एट द्वारसमुद्रा। ग्रेटेस्ट अचीवमेंट ऑफ होयसाला आर्ट, होयसाला टेम्पल एट हलेबीद एंड वेल्लूर। चेन्नकेशवा टेम्पल, सोमनाथपुर, केशवा टेम्पल इन कर्नाटका, लिस्टेड इन यूनेस्को वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट ऑन September 18, 2023। विजयनगर एंड अदर किंगडम।